Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the sleepy filter on TikTok. So to get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, and in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, as you can see, I'm not sleepy, but as you can see my eyes, the effect is working. And if you open your mouth, you will get the drooling effect also. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting this sleepy effect from the effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for sleepy. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. You can tap there to use this effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let's go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and you need to open it with TikTok. Okay, you need to open it with TikTok. Okay, so you are in the effect page again. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this sleepy filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.